Hi everybody. I wanted to show you how you can put equations into the Halo classroom. There's a website that does this, okay? It's called latexeditor.lagrita.com. I'll send you the link for that, but you should probably bookmark it. You can see we've got a whole bunch of options that we can use here. Most of the ones that we'll need will be right over here, all right? So let me just show you a couple of examples because it's kind of complicated. For example, if I wanted to have a fraction, I'll click on that fraction. And down below, you'll see it gives me some kind of weird code. But the denominator goes here, and the numerator goes there. Okay? If I wanted to make this more complicated, maybe I wanted to make the square root of a fraction. So I could type on the square root, and then inside those brackets, I would type the fraction, and then the denominator. We shouldn't need to get this complicated in class, but if we do, you can, or if you want to use this in your next class. And you can see down here, this is what we've got. Now, in order to put this in the Halo classroom, we need to do a couple of things. First of all, make sure that this is checked where it says image output. You can also change the font size if you want. Now all you have to do is copy it. It depends on what you've got, what you're using in your to get to Halo. I'm on an iPad, so for me, I just long press it, and then I can click on copy image. And then you can go right into the Halo classroom. And I'll just add a sample little message, and then you just paste it in however you want, and there it is. It acts just like an image when we're into Halo. So I hope this is helpful. Let me know if you have any questions about it. Thanks. Bye-bye.